Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change filters in Canva. If you are editing a photo or video, you want to change the filters. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So go to your Canva app and click on this icon right here, edit. Now scroll down, you're going to see filters. Click on see all. Here you're going to see a bunch of filters to choose from. You have natural, warm, cool, and vivid, and more filters below. When you click on one, you can increase the intensity. So that's how you change filters in Canva. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.